Ducktrap River of Maine has been a leader in the smoked seafood industry since 1978, bringing 40 years of experience to every product. Their smoked trout fillets are gently smoked through traditional smoking methods using a unique blend of fruit woods and hardwoods to create a rich and complex flavor in every bite. The combination of salt, cane sugar, and high-quality smoked trout is a tasty alternative to any traditional breakfast, lunch, or dinner protein, creating quick and easy recipes.
That's right, and today we'll be showing you how to make a delicious smoked salmon and asparagus Benedict. One of the best parts of a Benedict is the hollandaise sauce.
My favorite.
You have to have this. That's what makes it a
so
Benedict.
Delicious.
So what I've already gotten started with is I had egg yolks and a little bit of hot water. We're going to go in with some citrus vinegar. We're also going to go in with some cayenne pepper.
Ooh.
And then some salt. And the other key to hollandaise is melted butter. So just whisk in a little bit at a time. So of course we need English muffins. Yes. Classic Benedict has English muffins. And this Benedict is really fun because it has asparagus. I like to put the asparagus on the bottom. We have the smoked trout. So I'm gonna go in with that on mine.
Awesome.
Would you like any smoked trout on yours?
Sure.
Okay. And again, make
great.
this as rustic or as pretty as you want. I'm sure Dad won't care.
It always turns out pretty though. I feel like a Benedict is always just such a pretty dish.
Oh, for sure. It's the sauce that really brings it all together. So it does not have to be perfect. And if Dad sees that you made him fresh hollandaise, I doubt that he's going to be mad.
He's going to love the trout on
Benedict
top,
doesn't look quite perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful.
Nice.
Then we have some poached eggs. These are beautifully poached eggs.
My favorite part of Benedict is when you pop open the yolk there. It's so great.
And then, of course, we have our beautiful hollandaise. And I heavy hand the hollandaise, y'all.
Yes.
I'm making this sauce. I'm going to have a lot of it because it is...
There we go.
It's always tough to get like one complete bite. You kind of have to go at it.
To get all the ingredients.
Your own approach.
Yeah.
And this is definitely a fork and knife type of dish.
Okay.
How is it? It's the smoked trout, the hollandaise, so good. Love it.